Everybody, Joe Brady here, and I'd like to invite you to join us at this year's Arches-Canyonlands Photo Workshop from November 4th through the 9th in Moab, Utah. Early November is our favorite time around Moab. The temperatures are mild, the crowds are gone, but everything is open and available to us. From the incredible arches and pillars of Arches National Park to the vast canyons of Canyonlands, the amazing variety of subjects provide great photographs everywhere we go. In addition to the two national parks, we also spend time in two state parks. Dead Horse Point is an amazing canyon that resembles the Grand Canyon in many ways. It's a great sunrise and sunset spot that also offers great astrophotography, as do Arches and Dead Horse. Goblin Valley State Park features an incredible number of naturally occurring goblin sculptures. If you've never explored this area, you're sure to be surprised and amazed by what you will see. Registration's open now, so visit the website for more information and to sign up for your spot at the 2018 Arches-Canyonlands Photo Workshop.